Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find omori plush on Google. First you want to go to google.com. Google.com. Hit enter and then you'll arrive here. I have different things for who I am. Have your account at the top right and crap. And yeah, I am on a MacBook Pro, so some things may look different if you're on a if you're on a if you're on a Windows, or if you're on a Linux, if you're on a Penguin, or if you're on a glass plane. I'm using the Apple, so yeah, I'm mostly a fruit type of person. I'm going to show you how we do this first. We go to omori, we're going to type that in, and then you see this, hit the space key, and hit plush. Can't find it, and I can show you where it is. Now, everything else here, all of this, we do not care about. Do not click it, do not even look at it. Instead, you want to go down to the right, and at the right, you will always have yourself the enter key at the right, or sometimes even the left. Now, you want to hit the enter key if you're on a Windows, hit return if you're on a MacBook, and with penguins, aka Linux, I've never seen them before, so I can't help you. So you're kinda screwed. I don't think you'll find a more plush. I think you're kind of in the worst situation. Now, if you hit this button, it'll take away all of this. Everything that you messed up, you can hit this button, take it away. I can show you. If you go here and you don't put a space, there's two options. Like I said, you can hit this and clear it, or you can find on a Windows the backspace button, or on the MacBook, Apple, you can go find the delete button. These buttons enter the backspace/delete. That's not a single. Anyways, the button will always be over and on top of enter, not directly on top of it. Like maybe a 1 to 2 button rows up, and you'll find delete/backspace. Press it, and then it'll make you go back by one letter. You can press this as many times as you want, and at some point, it won't actually do anything, because there's nothing to delete. Now, put in a omori plush, make sure that you have all this. See here, I made a mistake. There we go. Now you want to hit return/enter/whatever else. Here we are. This is the main page on the website Google. And here, you have a bunch of buttons you can hit. All shopping, images, news, videos, more, tools, all this stuff. We'll get into that later on my in-depth video on how to get a basil plush. Now, everything here, you may not understand these numbers, that's fine. Now, okay, we are going to go up here, use this, right? If you need help, just go back up here to this place, and then go down and click on this. Now you'll see that you have now officially gotten the images of omori plush. Omori plush, cool, great. All these things, do not click on the top, because if you see these numbers with the weird squiggly S, that means that means you would buy it. You may not understand that term yet, because I'm a computer geek, but that means you do not want to do that yet, since you do not own any of the squiggly lines. We'll get into that later at some point in a different video. Now if you go down, you can find all of these. And with these, all you have to do if you want to see more of the picture is click. Now you have it, omori plush. And guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This is how to get to the image of omori plush. If you need any help with anything else, I can show you at some point. But this is what we have right now. So, if you want me to show you how to find videos on Omori plush, then you can just go ahead and stay subscribed. I'll show you a video on how to get a video of Omori plush. Have fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe for more content like this. The more likes on this video, the more I know that you want this type of content. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Oyasumi.